My ceiling power cord died. No power. Well, we're gonna pull it off the ceiling and figure out what's wrong with it. Maybe. Well, we know the outlet has power because the garage door opener works. Well, let's take it apart. Oh. That's bad. I don't know this is why it died. I kind of doubt it, but something's been rubbing and there's bare wires showing. Look at this. The insulation's rubbed right through. That's not good. That's pretty bad design right there. Why would that be rubbing? What is going on back here? Something bad is happening. Why is that loose? Well, I've come to the conclusion this is not good. Not going to get a good contact. I tried banging this down a little bit tighter, and I don't know that this whole crimp idea is a great idea, so I'm going to try and solder it. I might melt the plastic. We'll just see what happens. How about that? I don't know if it's going to work at all or not. I'm going to try it. Some deoxit. I'm going to try and pull this wire back through and get these back, and then we'll put some electrical tape on the end there. There we go. Oh, that's quite a bit better. So this has been pulled back quite a ways. Now, lucky for us, this rubs on plastic only, and it doesn't look like it's damaged the inside copper conductors at all. So I'm going to do the... How the hell do you open this? Yeah. Anyway, I guess I gotta shake this up first, but this stuff's supposed to be pretty good. Alright, I put a couple of layers of liquid electrical grease on. We're going to do one more layer of deoxit on the terminals, and we'll put it back together. There we go. Well, we better make sure there's no shorts or anything before we put it back together, right? Maybe it didn't work. Okay, it still doesn't work. Here's what I'm at. I've got connection with this one. Nothing. Something between the end of this wire and this terminal is no good. So let's see if we can take it apart. We're gonna have to drill this out. Oh, there's your problem. Look at this. This thing smoked. And it's melted. We found the issue. Wonder if we can solder that in like the other end was. And I will do this one too. I don't trust it. It needs to be soldered. Why didn't they solder it to begin with, you know? I don't understand. This thing's a piece of crap. There we go. It's soldered all the way through now. I think we'll use an M3 bolt and nut to secure this back down, since I obviously drilled the rivet out. I think that'll work great. This is keyed right here, and the key goes on the bottom. Oh, let's see if it blows up. Nope. Put something into it. Hey, look at that. I'm trying to roll it a little bit while it's running. Hey, that works all right. Look at that. We did something. Well, I doubt you'd be surprised to find out they don't make this anymore. And I'm pretty sure I know why. It's kind of a piece of junk. But hey, I got it working. I'm pretty sure it's also better now than it was when I got it to begin with. Only lasted me about 5 years till it broke. But anyway, it works now. And hopefully you get inspired to go out, fix something of your own, and maybe we'll see you around. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.